Hello and welcome in the series of Understanding Rubrics of Mind. I am Dr. Vilas Kalekar. Episode number 34. Today's rubric is childish behavior. What is meant by childish behavior? It is a behavior of mature person is like a child or lack of maturity, or it is an one's silly and immature behavior showing simplicity, harmfulness, weakness of intellect, just like fitting a child. That is childish behavior. The Hindi meaning of childish behavior is बच्चों जैसा व्यवहार और बचकाना व्यवहार. Then what is the Marathi meaning of childish behavior? Marathi meaning is लहान मुलांसारखे वागणे, बालपणाला साजेसे, प्रौढ व्यक्तीचे लहान मुलांना साजेसे वर्तन और परिपक्वतेचा अभाव. दिस इज Marathi meaning of childish behavior. And what are the remedies? The remedies are, one is Prayatakar, then Cicuta, Agaricus, Apis, Argentum nitricum, Baratamur, carbon sulf, crocus, Helleborus, ignitia, natron carp, nux moscata, opium, phosphoric acid, and stramonium. So these are the number of remedies for childish behavior. Now we'll see the cross references for childish behavior. First is answering foolish. Answering means it is say or write something or reaction to someone or something, or it is a statement that is made to reply. This is answering. Foolish means it is a having or showing lack of good sense, judgment, or discretion. This is foolish. Then next cross reference, antique play. Antique play means it is a childish behavior and to make a gesticulating onto the to amuse people, or it is a childish or foolish act, or it is an attention drawing, often widely playful or funny act or action. This is antique play. The next cross reference is awkward. Awkward means it is a difficult to deal with a feeling of embarrassment, lack in social favor, skill or kindness, or lack in grace and skill, lacking grace or ease in movement. This is awkwardness. Then buffoonery. Buffoonery means it is a rude joking, foolishness, doing silly but amusing things, or it is the behavior of a person who does silly things, usually to make other people laugh. That is buffoonery. Then next cross reference, delusion child, he is a child. Delusion means it is an imagination or misleading opinion, idea, or false belief, or it is an erroneous belief that is held in the face of evidence to the contrary. This is delusion. The next cross reference, dementia. Dementia is a deteriorate mentally from organic brain disorder, or it is a series of mental problem caused by brain disease or injury that affects the ability to think, remember, and behave normally. This is dementia. The next cross reference, foolish behavior. Foolish behavior means lacking in sense or intelligence, or senseless as to laughable, silly behavior, ridiculous, or having or showing a lack of good sense, judgment, or discretion. This is foolish behavior. Then next cross reference, frivolous. Frivolous means taking things easily, or it is a serious notice characterized by lack of seriousness, or it is a casual attitude towards the sickness or situation, like why should I worry or take things seriously. This is frivolous. The next cross reference, gestures makes ridiculous or foolish. What is meant by gesture? Gesture means the act of moving limbs of a body to express thoughts and feeling, or it is a movement of body, head, arms, or face that is expressive of an idea, emotion, opinion, etc. This is gestures. The next cross reference, giggling. Giggling means it is a kind of laugh in a childish and uncontrolled manner, laughing in a silly way, or to laugh repeatedly in a quiet but uncontrolled way, often at something silly or rude, or when you are nervous. This is giggling. Then next cross reference, grimaces. Grimaces means worry face, or it is an expression of face of pain or strong dislike, etc., or intending to cause laughter or a worry face. This is grimace. The next cross reference, jesting ridiculous. Jesting means to say things that are not serious or true, especially to make someone laugh, fun, or spoken in a jest. This is jesting. Then, what is ridiculous? Ridiculous means it is a stupid or unreasonable and deserving to be laughed at. This is ridiculous. Then laughing causeless. Laughing means showing mirth, showing happiness, or it is a spontaneous sounds and movements of the face and body that are the instinctive expression of lively amusement. This is laughing causeless. Then laughing childish. The next cross reference, laughing immoderately. Immoderate means that is too much or more than is usual or reasonable. This is immoderate. Then laughing serious matter over. The next cross reference, laughing silly. A silly means having or showing lack of sense or judgment, absurd and foolish. This is silly. Then next cross reference, navy. Navy means unsophisticated, simple in plain nature, person who is simple, trusting, and always takes things at their face value, natural or unaffected simplicity in thought, manner, or speech, too willing to believe that someone is telling the truth, that people's intentions in general are good, or that life is simple and fair. This is navy. The next cross reference is retardation mental. It is a slower mental development than normal. It is generalized disorder appearing before adulthood, characterized by significant improvement, cognitive functioning, and deficit in two or more adaptive behavior. This is retarded mental. Then next cross reference, simple person. Simple means it is a person, maybe the one who is unsophisticated, foolish, or mentally impaired, one who cannot understand or grasp most concept and lacking in insight. Another view of simple person is one who finds happiness in small things, who is just ordinary, nothing special. This is simple person. Then smiling foolish. Foolishness means it is a lack in sense or intelligence, or senseless as to laughable, or ridiculous silly behavior, or having or showing lack of good sense, judgment, or discretion. Then next cross reference, speech childish. Then next cross reference, speech foolish. That is the expression of or the ability to express thoughts and feeling by articulate sounds. That is or foolishness means it is the lack in sense or intelligence, so senseless as to laughable. That is speech foolish. Then next cross reference, speech uh, prattling. That is prattling means to talk lot about unimportant things. The next cross reference, silly. Silly means having or showing a lack of common sense or judgment, or absurd and foolish. Then next cross reference, face expression foolish. So these are all the cross references for childish behavior. The next is miasm. The miasm of childish behavior is psychosis. The next is the disease condition or psychiatric condition of childish behavior is drug abuse, personality disorder, and schizophrenia. So, friends, this is all about the childish behavior. So, thank you.